Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Feels like it's been a minute since I actually filmed kind of a normal style video. My last video was more of a sit down video, explanation, telling you guys, yep, we bought a hiker trailer. So that's definitely coming up. Right now I have to drive out. It's early in the morning. I gotta go down, have another appointment. I gotta go down. I'm driving the truck again. Hopefully I can park a little bit closer, but we'll see what's up. But a lot of things have been going on. I could have gotten inside of the Mustang, but I don't know. Something about driving my own car. I just like driving my truck more than driving the Mustang sometimes, especially when I gotta go somewhere like a little bit further. I just like driving my own car. So let's get on the road and let's get down there. Also, interesting fact is, yeah, we still have the motorcycle. My wife's motorcycle is still in the back of the truck. It's been in here for like a week now. This weekend coming up, it will be 2 weekends. It's just been inside of the back of the truck. So I gotta like really take this thing out. I just haven't had a chance to do it yet. But that's the benefit of having this cap on the truck. It's pretty much protected. And it's like locked, so you can't even like see it through the smart cap Evo. So over the past couple weeks, a lot of stuff has actually happened. I didn't get a chance to like edit it all into one video, so I'm gonna put it all together here. Pretty much the Mustang, you'll see we were having some electrical issues with that. We have to take it to the dealership and get that kind of sorted out. With the battery, and then I think there's some other stuff that happened with the C5 Corvette. So I'm gonna implant all of that other content in this video, and then we will rejoin after that. So I have not moved the Corvette in literally over a month. I'm gonna move it out of the garage, put it by the house. I need to make a little more room in here. I need to clean up some stuff and everything. So gonna move the Corvette. Figured I'll start it up, show you guys what's been going on, also give you guys a look at everything. So we'll test the battery, make sure everything's good. We'll just move it out of here. I'm gonna move the Mustang back too. Also, the Mustang did have some issues where we literally had to call AAA to get it jumped. I don't know exactly what happened, but the battery died. I think it was because I was sitting in the car for like a while with it charging my phone, and like the battery voltage dropped to like 9 something, so it wasn't like dead, it was just low enough that it was hard for the car to crank. So that was a real weird situation, so we'll see what's up with that. A ton of lightnings. Let's make sure this starts up. Oh yeah, it does. No problem. It's wild. I can't even hear the I can't even hear the Corvette when I'm in here. That's funny. All right, let me move this thing back. All right, so was all the information worth it or interesting? Hopefully it was. One thing I will say, living inside SoCal, it's so weird. Some of these like main streets, or like that you would think is just a small little street, it actually turns out it's like a major like traffic intersection where people just kind of go up and down it. So like even the street I'm on right now, this is what anywhere else, this is just a small little street, but so many people are just going up and down this road. Sometimes having a truck going through like this busy of a intersection is kind of wild because of it's just like so many people are going up and down it, and like there's a bus, there's someone on their bike, there's a Rivian, but there's just so much stuff. I'm trying to like, you know, stay, I guess, in the lanes so I don't go over the lanes and everything like that. Oh my god, where's this guy going? I'm gonna go around this thing and we're good to go, and we'll just keep on trucking through. But yeah, even like look at this road. This road is like really cool looking. So many just like interesting places.
Mile, continue straight to stay on 20.
Have some context of what's going on though. So yeah, future plans. Still going to be doing stuff with the C5. The C5, I am definitely taking a more slower approach to like getting it kind of built out and everything like that. We did take it out when my sister was here. Oh, there's a TRX. That's pretty cool. I'm always like I don't know if I would have one out here. Honestly, I feel like the Rebel is like, it's honestly good enough. I'm just like, people out here, they like steal vehicles, so like I wouldn't want to even have a TRX out here. But and like honestly, I feel like it's like a little bit just too big. But anyways, I was gonna say the C5, we're definitely still building it out. I did take it out when my sister was here in town, so that was pretty cool. We got a chance to like drive it and like actually, I don't know, use it. So that was actually like pretty cool. I'm happy that we got the chance to like do that. It drives fine, but it's just like the battery is still just dying. So that's just, I don't know, that's just part of it. But more of the story is we are going to be still fixing up on that, getting that up and going. And then the plan for the Mustang has just been kind of keeping it pretty much. It did throw us for a little bit of a loop that the battery died, and like, I mean, it was covered under warranty, so it didn't really matter, but it's just like kind of annoying to have that happen like right now. Also, I just want to mention this, someone's definitely living out of this van here. Van life is so like president and just like at the forefront here. It's crazy. A part of me wants to like do it, but like that's like part of the reason why we got the trailer, because like I want to be able to go and explore different places. But doing urban camping, I don't want to do that. No. I'd rather go out into the wilderness and boondock. So that's another reason why we're like getting the trailer. But no, there's definitely van life is definitely appealing in certain regards, but no, I want to be able to come back to a house, you know what I mean? So